Good morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And it seems like I've just said happy Friday, doesn't it?
Yes, I know. The weekend goes by too fast for me.
Yeah.
But we are going to be seeing just a light snow showers today. Same thing for tomorrow, and then sunshine returns for the end of the week.
Sunshine.
Yes, so we haven't seen that in a while, so I'm excited. Let's take a look now at the temperatures to start this morning. We are a little bit chilly. We are in the 20s. We have 21 degrees in Inlet and Richfield Springs, and 25 degrees in Westmoreland, and 23 degrees in Whitesboro. We are starting off dry this morning. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but a small disturbance from a low pressure system is going to bring in some light snow showers for late morning, early afternoon, and that will last for the rest of the day. But overall, for both today and tomorrow, a general 1 to 3 inches is expected. So really not a lot of snow. It shouldn't really cause any travel issues. And we are going to see that for both today and tomorrow. Sunshine returns on Wednesday. That will last into the weekend, but a cold front overnight Thursday into Friday does bring in Arctic air. It's going to get very, very cold for the end of the week and the weekend. So for today, expect some light snow showers throughout the day. Highs are going to be near 30, and I will be talking a little bit more about the snow and that cold weather coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. Let's get right to it now.
The Oneonta Cam is brought to you by Mountain Ice Paint Gel.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing a low pressure system bringing in a small disturbance for some light snow both today, and then it turns into lake effect for tomorrow. But overall, just a general 1 to 3 inches for all together today and tomorrow. So it shouldn't really be a problem when traveling. Probably just need to brush it off your car for this afternoon and evening if you are heading out. Same thing for into tomorrow morning. We do dry out tomorrow later in the day and for Wednesday and Thursday, with our next cold front bringing in some snow overnight Thursday into Friday, but that's also going to bring a very, very cold air. It's actually going to bring Arctic air into the region. So just a little bit of a breeze for today through Wednesday, and then it does get windy on Thursday ahead of that cold front, and that wind remains into the weekend along with very, very low temperatures. But if you did want to go snowmobiling, sledding, skiing, I would say it's fine for that now. We have received some snow. We're looking at some more snow for both today and tomorrow. The ground may be a little bit icy for both today and tomorrow as we do remain below freezing, but overall conditions should be good. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. It was a full day of local girls.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are tracking dry conditions and cloudy skies this morning, but some light snow does pick up for the rest of the day. Let's take a look now at our Utica National Tower camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. As we can see here, dry roadways, dry conditions. We are just seeing cloudy skies. And a chilly start this morning as our temperatures are in the 20s, so there is the possibility to see some icy spots on the roads. For this afternoon, light snow does pick up, and that looks to continue into tomorrow. It does turn into lake effect snow showers tomorrow, but overall, very little accumulation is expected for both of these days. It shouldn't really cause any problems on the roads. Here's a look at our temperatures this morning. Pretty chilly to start, just 20 degrees in Inlet and 25 degrees in Westmoreland and Dowdesville. Looking to the south, we have 30 degrees in Cooperstown and 28 degrees in Sherburne, Norwich, and Skanevis this morning, with high temperatures today remaining below freezing. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, dry conditions to start, but there is a low pressure system just to the south of us. That is going to fuel some light snow showers coming in. As you can see, it's already moving in from the west. They are going to be very light in nature and shouldn't really cause any problems on the roadways, because here's our snowfall forecast. This is for both today and tomorrow. We are looking at a trace to 2 for most of us and 2 to 4 inches in Madison and the western part of Oneida County, and that's due to the lake effect snow band for tomorrow. So for today, we see light snow coming in from the west, a little bit higher totals over here, and then this turns into lake effect snow tomorrow with the lake effect snow band kind of aiming towards this way as well. So that's why higher totals are a little bit more in Madison County and the western part of Oneida County, but overall shouldn't really cause any problems on the roads and should cause for a very nice sledding conditions, skiing conditions, snowmobiling for both today and tomorrow. conditions are going to be good and we see a little bit extra snowfall for both today and tomorrow. So for today, we start out cloudy. Some light snow looks to come in late morning, early afternoon, and that looks to continue for the rest of the day. With lingering showers overnight, this turns into lake effect for tomorrow, as we do see here, with a few peaks of sunshine actually possible the more north, because the lake effect snow band is kind of concentrated towards the south, but everything looks to dry out for Tuesday night. So for today, expect clouds and then some light snow to come in late morning, early afternoon, and that will continue into the overnight hours. This turns into lake effect for tomorrow. A few areas of sunshine possible in the north tomorrow. We all see sunshine on Wednesday. Furthest areas up north may be seeing some lake effect snow showers for Wednesday, and then the sunshine remains through the weekend. There is the chance for some snow showers overnight into Friday, and that is from a cold front. That cold front brings very, very cold air, as you can see next weekend. Gary.
Wow, 5 below.
I know, it might get even lower. As right now, we just put 5 below, but there's a possibility it could get up to 15, 20 below.
Yeah, we haven't really seen that Arctic air yet this winter. So.
And especially wind chill values are going to be up to 40, 50 below, so it's going to be very, very cold.
We'll see.
I don't like that.
Anna, thank you. The time now 5:21, half hour. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And looking ahead to the weather, a pretty wild week coming up.
Yes, we are seeing just a few light snow showers today to tomorrow. Sunshine comes in until the rest of the week, into the weekend, but it gets very, very cold for next weekend.
I saw -5 on that 7-day.
Yeah, so it could be even cooler than that. We're looking at wind chill values even up to 40 below zero Friday night, so
wow.
It's going to be very, very cold. We haven't seen that yet
Yeah,
this year.
I know.
So let's take a look now at the temperatures to start this morning. We are starting out chilly, but all above zero. We're in the 20s, 27 degrees in Little Falls and 25 degrees in Whitesboro. And we are tracking dry conditions. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. A few light snow showers are actually going to start for this afternoon, and that's due to just a small disturbance. It's only going to bring a general 1 to 3 inches for both today and tomorrow total. So it shouldn't really have any problems on the roads. Light snow for today and tomorrow. We then see sunshine come in for Wednesday and into the weekend, but that sunshine comes with very, very cold weather. We see Arctic air moving in on Friday. So Friday and Saturday, it's going to be very, very cold with overnight lows on Friday below zero. So for today, expect clouds and a few light snow showers on and off throughout the day. Highs will be below freezing, but right near 30. And I will talk a little bit more about the snow and the cold air coming in. Coming up, Gary.
Anna, thank you. And don't forget, the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. The U.S. hit the
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing some light snow showers both today and tomorrow. We do have a snowfall forecast for noon today through noon tomorrow, so both days of snowfall on this map. Just a trace to 2 for most of us, a little bit more in our western portion of Oneida County along with Madison County, because that is where the lake effect snow band will pick up tomorrow. So a little bit more snow showers are expected in that region, but it shouldn't really cause any problems on the roads since we are just seeing a general 1 to 3 inches for both today and tomorrow. So the sidewalks may be a little bit snowy for both today and tomorrow. And tonight, since we fall below freezing, and same thing with tomorrow night, they may be a little bit icy once again, as anything untreated does freeze over. Looking ahead for this week, we do remain in the 20s today and tomorrow, 30 for Thursday, but then a cold front moves through Thursday night into Friday. That brings very, very cold Arctic air into our region with highs just in the teens Friday, overnight lows below zero Friday night, and then high temperatures just in the single digits on Saturday. Gary.
Anna, thanks. There will be a heightened police presence at a New Jersey.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with dry conditions and cloudy skies this morning, but some light snow does pick up today. Let's take a look now at our Oneonta Tower Camera. This is brought to you by Mountain Ice. We are seeing cloudy skies to start, but it is dry. Shouldn't really have any problems commuting this morning, just for the possibility of a few icy spots. Some light snow does pick up for this afternoon and tonight due to a weak disturbance in our air. And then this changes into lake effect snow tomorrow, but overall it's going to be very light and things dry out tomorrow night. Temperatures this morning are a little bit chilly. We are in the teens and 20s. 20 degrees in Inlet, 27 degrees in Little Falls, and 23 degrees in Whitesboro. And looking to the south, we have 29 degrees in Cooperstown and 25 degrees in Hamilton. High temperatures today are going to remain below or just around freezing with highs in the lower 30s. Once again, dry conditions on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We do have a low pressure system just to the south of us. That is bringing in some light snow showers, as we can see to our west here. That's going to come in for today and tonight and then change over to a lake effect for tomorrow. But overall, not a lot of snow. This snowfall forecast is for noon today through noon tomorrow, so for both days. We have the most amount of snow in the western part of Oneida County along with Madison County, because that's where the lake effect snow band is expected to pick up tomorrow. So 2 to 4 inches there and a trace to 2 for the rest of us. So really shouldn't have any problems on the roads. But it is going to be great for sledding, snowmobiling, skiing. For most of this week, we will stay below freezing. So snow really shouldn't be melting, and we did receive some snow last week, and we will for today and tomorrow. So should be good conditions for doing any winter sports or anything like that. So on our Skycast, we do see cloudy skies to start, and then we will be seeing temperatures reach right near 30 around noon, but that's when some light snow showers start to come in, and that will remain for the rest of the day and even into tonight, a few lingering snow showers. Tomorrow, this picks up as lake effect, and that band is going to be in the western part of Oneida into Madison County, so it is going to be to the south. Some sunshine is actually possible for the other portion of the Mohawk Valley and up north for the day tomorrow. We do dry out tomorrow night with sunshine returning on Wednesday. So for today, cloudy skies, a few light snow showers, not a lot of snow, shouldn't really have any travel issues, and that snow will continue overnight. It will be on and off snow showers with lake effect picking up tomorrow. There is the possibility to see some sunshine to our eastern portion and northern portion of our viewing area tomorrow. Sunshine comes in for all of us on Wednesday. Possibility of some lake effect snow showers continuing to the north on Wednesday. But sunshine remains for the rest of the week into the weekend. A cold front moves through Thursday night into Friday. That brings in some snow showers, but that cold front will ultimately bring in Arctic air. It's going to get very cold Friday and Saturday, Gary.
Wow.
Yes, I'm not looking forward to it. Wind chill values for like up to 40 below zero Friday night. I won't be outside.
Yeah, we'll think about it later.
Yeah.
Hannah, thank you. A 4-year-old. Good morning, and thank you for joining us. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And where has January gone?
I know, it's done.
Flew by.
Yeah, so February starts on Wednesday, but we finally will be getting some really, really cold weather coming in next week, or this weekend coming up. We'll be in the single digits for high temperatures.
Yeah, you haven't had to use that word Arctic much.
Yes, we haven't seen it this year yet. Overnight lows Friday into Saturday will fall below zero for all of us, which we really haven't seen. So let's take a look now at the temperatures this morning. For most of this week, we will be around average. Starting out in the 20s, we have 23 degrees in Whitesboro and 21 degrees in Richfield Springs. We are also starting out with dry conditions. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but some light snow showers are looking to come in for both today and tomorrow with very little accumulation. So we see light snow today and tomorrow due to a disturbance, and then that turns into lake effect tomorrow, but just a general 1 to 3 inches for both of these days combined. We are going to be seeing sunshine coming in on Wednesday, and that will last through the weekend, but we are going to be seeing a very Arctic air coming in for Friday and Saturday with overnight lows Friday night all below zero. So that's the first time we've seen this year. It is going to be getting very, very cold for Friday and Saturday. But for today, highs near 30, cloudy skies with a few light snow showers, and I will be talking a little bit more about the snow and the cold air coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now. We are.
The Oneonta Cam is brought to you by Mountain Ice Paint Gel.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing some light snow picking up for today, and that will turn into lake effect tomorrow. But for both days altogether, a general 1 to 3 inches can be expected. So not really looking to have to shovel, just probably a brush for both today and tomorrow. We do dry out tomorrow night, and we will remain dry for the rest of the week for the days. There is going to be a cold front that moves through Thursday night. That brings in some snow showers overnight Thursday into Friday. So it is going to get windy at that time. Just a breeze for today through Wednesday. But this is what brings in that really cold Arctic air. So it is going to get very cold for Friday and Saturday with highs just in the single digits and teens, and overnight low Friday night below 0. But overall for today, tomorrow, Wednesday should be good conditions to either ski, sled, snowmobile, snowboard, anything like that. For today, we will be seeing some light snow showers, temperatures just below freezing. Gary.
Hannah, thank you. It was a full day.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with dry conditions and cloudy skies with some snow showers picking up this afternoon. Let's take a look now at our Cavie Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Cloudy skies, dry conditions, and with snow showers starting today, it shouldn't really be a problem when traveling or commuting because it is going to be light snow. So just be careful for some icy spots this morning, and light snow picks up for the afternoon. It looks to continue into tomorrow, turning into lake effect for tomorrow. According to our sky watchers this morning, we are most of us in the 20s, 25 degrees in Deerfield and New Hartford, 24 degrees in Clinton. Looking to the south, we have 30 degrees in Milford and Cooperstown and 28 degrees in Evanston and West Lawrence this morning. So a little bit chilly to start. High temperatures today will remain around and just below freezing. Once again, starting out dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar, but there is a low pressure system just to the south of us, and due to this small disturbance, as you can see from the west here, light snow showers look to pick up for this afternoon and tonight. Very little accumulation is actually expected. We do have a snowfall forecast for noon today through noon tomorrow, so for both today and tomorrow, the snowfall altogether just a trace to 2 for most of us. And since the snow is going to turn into lake effect tomorrow, the band looks to be in the western part of Oneida County through Madison County. A little bit more can be expected there, 2 to 4 inches for the lake effect snow band tomorrow. But overall, shouldn't really cause any problems when commuting. Very general light accumulation is expected. We are going to remain below freezing for high temperatures for most of this week. So any winter sports should be seen good conditions for today, tomorrow. I would say sledding would be fun today or tomorrow, skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, and then we get cold air coming in for the weekend, so it will remain below freezing. On our skycast, we see here cloudy skies, and then some light snow starts to pick up around noon. That will continue for the rest of the day with on and off snow showers overnight. This continues as lake effect tomorrow. We can see here to our western portion over Lake Ontario and south as well. Since it is going to remain west and south, the eastern and northern portion of our area could be seeing even some sunshine tomorrow due to this lake effect snow band staying down there. But then we dry out for tomorrow night. So for today, expect clouds, light snow showers look to come in, and those light showers will continue overnight into lake effect showers tomorrow. We all dry out tomorrow night. Wednesday, we see sunshine. It is possible to see some light snow showers from lake effect north. Thursday, Friday, sunshine, but Thursday night, some snow showers come in due to a cold front, and that cold front will bring in Arctic air for Friday and Saturday with temperatures just in the single digits and overnight lows below 0, Gary.
Boy, that heat is going to be turned up this week.
Yes, mine is going to be at like 80 degrees.
Hannah, thank you. Be sure to like us on Facebook. And thank you for joining us for this half hour. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Yeah, not too bad of a weekend we had.
Yeah, so it was okay, I think. And then we'll be just seeing a few snow showers today and tomorrow, but little accumulation expected.
And I know you've been talking all morning, but that cold weather is on its way.
Yes, so Friday and Saturday, we're going to be seeing Arctic air. We haven't seen this yet this year, but we usually see it at least once a year. Highs in the single digits and lows all below 0.
Yeah.
I'm not looking forward to it. Well, let's take a look at the temperatures to start this morning. We are in the 20s, 27 degrees in Little Falls, 24 degrees in Whitesboro and in Earlville. And we are starting out with with dry conditions. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We are going to be seeing a few lighter snow showers picking up for today and tonight, and that will turn into lake effect tomorrow. But overall, just a general 1 to 3 inches. It shouldn't really cause any problems commuting or traveling anywhere. After tomorrow, we will continue to see sunshine starting on Wednesday through the weekend, but a cold front Thursday night brings in very, very cold Arctic air for Friday and Saturday. So it is going to be very cold for both of those days. So for today, expect highs around freezing. We will be seeing some light snow showers and cloudy skies. And I will be talking a little bit more about the snow today and the cold air coming in. Coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. And don't forget, the Storm Tracker 2 forecast is never more than 10 minutes away. Well, the U.S. hit the debt.
The Cooperstown Cam is brought to you by Utica National Insurance Group.
Welcome back. We are going to be seeing some light snowfall coming in today, and that will continue as lake effect tomorrow. But for noon today through noon tomorrow, here's our snowfall forecast. Both days, only a general 1 to 3. We're looking at trace to 2 for most of us, 2 to 4 in the western portion of Oneida County along with Madison County, because that is where the lake effect snow band looks to land tomorrow. But overall, shouldn't really have any travel issues for both today and tomorrow. And then we will be seeing dry weather come in later in the day tomorrow. But just be careful on sidewalks, maybe a little bit slippery and snowy today, and that may turn icy on any untreated surfaces for tonight. And same thing goes for tomorrow night. Just be very careful of that. We will be just in the 20s for tomorrow, Wednesday, and then Thursday we will warm up just a little bit more before very cold Arctic air comes in. A cold front moves through Thursday night. That brings in very cold air, highs just in the teens on Friday, single digits on Saturday, and an overnight low Friday into Saturday below 0. Gary.
Anna, thank you. There will be a heightened police presence at
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with dry conditions this morning, but light snow showers pick up for this afternoon. Let's take a look at our mountain ice tower camera overlooking Oneonta. We see cloudy skies to start this morning, but there are dry conditions on the roadways, so it should be fine when traveling. And Nala can clearly say hi to her neighbor Willow this morning. Willow is just a few months old, so she looks a little bit upset about how cold it's been and that we are going to continue to see snow today because she's not used to upstate New York's winter. So Nala will cheer her up this morning. Just be careful of some icy spots on the roads, and for the evening, light snow showers will continue. Sky watchers have us all mainly in the 20s this morning, 25 degrees in Deerfield and New Hartford, 23 degrees in Westdale, and looking to the south, 26 degrees in Hartwick and 29 degrees in Morris, with high temperatures today just around and below freezing. So we are still dry on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, but there is a low pressure system just to our south that is kind of causing a small disturbance. As we can see, the snow just to the west of us, that is going to move in today, but it is going to be very light in nature and shouldn't really have any problems when traveling. We do have a snowfall forecast map. This is for noon today through noon tomorrow. So we will be seeing light snow today. That will pick up as lake effect for tomorrow. And for both of these days, just trace to 2 inches for most of us and 2 to 4 inches in the western portion of Oneida County along with Madison County, because that is where the lake effect snow band looks to fall. But overall, not a lot of snow, and that snowfall forecast is for over 2 days. So great skiing weather, snowboarding weather, snowmobiling, sledding, I would say for most of this week, because we do remain below freezing and really shouldn't have any problems with any melting snow. So great for that. And we have been seeing a lot of snow. We did see some snow last week. So for on our skycast, we will be seeing cloudy skies with some light snow picking up around noon. That will continue for the day with on and off snow showers continuing overnight and then turning into lake effect. As we can see, the lake effect band is to the south and west. So our eastern and northern portions actually possible to see some sunshine tomorrow as the lake effect snow band does remain over there. And then we all dry out tomorrow night. So for today, expect cloudy skies, light snow showers to pick up this afternoon, and that will continue overnight with a few on and off snow showers. That That turns into lake effect for tomorrow, especially south and west. We all dry out tomorrow night with sunshine returning on Wednesday and the possibility of some lake effect showers to the north on Wednesday. Sunshine remains for the rest of the week, but a cold front moves through Thursday night. That brings snow showers in overnight, Thursday into Friday, and that cold front brings in Arctic air for Friday and Saturday. As we can see here, highs in the single digits Saturday and overnight lows below 0 Friday night.
Wow,
Gary.
so -5, and with the wind chill, it's going to be even colder than that.
Yes, because it is going to get very windy. So at this point, we were looking, wind chill values could be up to 50 below 0, which we might issue an alert day for that because that can be dangerous.
I would think so.
Yes.
Hannah, thank you. A 4-year-old.
This is News Channel 2 at 7 a.m. on CW11.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us on the CW11. I'm Gary Libertor.
And I'm Storm Tracker 2 meteorologist Hannah Evans.
And you were saying some flurries out there today, maybe?
Yes, so some light snow showers today and tomorrow, but like for both days, just 1 to 3 inches shouldn't really be a problem. It's not going to be heavy snow.
So the big news is what's coming up later in the week.
Yes, so this weekend, I would say Friday, Saturday, the Arctic air is coming in, and we usually get this like a couple times a year, but we haven't seen it yet, where high temperatures will just be in the single digits.
Ooh, chilly.
Yes, very, very cold. So let's take a look now at the temperatures this morning. We are pretty chilly, but still in the 20s, 23 degrees in Whitesboro, 27 degrees in Little Falls. And at this point, we are still dry. This is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 with Doppler radar. But we are going to be seeing some light snow showers actually coming in for today, and that will turn into lake effect for tomorrow. And this is just due to a small disturbance. So light snow showers today and tomorrow. Little accumulation is really expected for both of these days. After tomorrow, we will start to see some sunshine as the weekend, but a cold front brings in Arctic air for Friday and Saturday. It's going to get very, very cold. So for today, expect cloudy skies, light snow showers throughout the day, and we'll be talking a little bit more about the snow and the cold air coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. Let's get right to it now. We are waiting to hear
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good morning, everybody. We are starting out with cloudy skies, and snow showers are going to pick up this afternoon. Let's take a look at the Cavity Tower camera overlooking the Mohawk Valley. We see cloudy skies, dry conditions to start, but once again, we are going to be seeing some light snow showers pick up for today and tomorrow. It shouldn't really cause a problem when commuting. Just watch out for some icy spots this morning, and it may just cause some slippery conditions for today and tomorrow. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 at Doppler radar. Once again, dry conditions to start, but there's a low pressure system just to the south of us that is causing a little bit of disturbance. You can see some light snow showers coming in from our west. We will be seeing snow showers late morning, early afternoon, and that will continue through tonight, turning into lake effect snow tomorrow. But overall, not a lot of snow. So this snowfall forecast is for noon today through noon tomorrow, a trace to 2 for most of us, and the lake effect snow band looks to be in the western portion of Oneida County along with Madison County. So we could be seeing a little bit more accumulation in that area where the lake effect snow band falls, 2 to 4 inches there. So if you do want to do any winter sports or activities like sledding, skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling, I would say this week is going to be good for it because we did receive a lot of snow last week, and today and tomorrow we will be seeing some snow, and it will remain below freezing, so it shouldn't really cause any melting issues. So for the rest of today, expect snow to start to come in late morning, early afternoon. It is going to be light. Just watch out for slippery conditions on the roads this evening, and on and off snow showers continue overnight. It will turn into lake effect tomorrow. As we can see here, clouds and some snow are going to fall south and our western portion of our viewing area, and it is possible to actually see some sunshine for the northern and eastern portion of our viewing area throughout the day tomorrow. We all dry out tomorrow night. So for today, expect clouds, then some snow showers coming in the afternoon, and that will continue as on and off snow showers tonight, turning into some lake effect showers for tomorrow. We all dry out tomorrow night. Sunshine comes in on Wednesday. It is possible to see some snow up north on Wednesday. We remain sunny through the weekend, but there is going to be a cold front that moves through Thursday night. That brings in some snow showers, and that brings in really cold Arctic air for Friday and Saturday. Overnight lows Friday night falling all below 0, wind chill values getting really, really low, and we are going to be very cold for Saturday.
this Monday. Here's meteorologist Hannah Evans. And Hannah, not a bad way to start off the week. Just some light snow falling, right?
Yes, so just some light snow showers as of right now. It shouldn't really cause any problems when commuting, and we will continue to see light snow into tomorrow. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. As you can see, just light scattered snow showers are going to be hanging around today. That will turn to lake effect tomorrow and will continue for tomorrow and then come to an end with sunshine returning on Wednesday. But right now we are still a little bit chilly in the 20s mostly, 29 degrees in Little Falls and Westmoreland and 28 degrees in Earlville. So light snow showers continue for today and tomorrow. A general 1 to 3 inches can be expected for both days. Sunshine returns for Wednesday and for most of the weekend, but we are going to be seeing very, very cold air coming in from the Arctic. So it is going to start to come in Friday, Saturday. It's going to be very, very cold with all of our wind chill values below zero and an overnight low Friday night into Saturday below zero. So for today, expect just light snow showers. Temperatures will remain right around freezing. I will be talking a little bit more about that cold weather coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. You have to check this video out right.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking cloudy skies and a few light scattered snow showers for the rest of the day with little accumulation. Let's take a look at our mountain ice tower camera overlooking Oneonta. If you look closely, you can see a few light snow flurries lingering around, cloudy skies, a little bit of a breeze today, and the light snow showers even look to continue into tomorrow. We are still a little bit cool, especially in the Mohawk Valley and north, a little bit warmer south, because we have 36 degrees in Otsego and 34 degrees in Cooperstown. But then looking to the rest of us, just 23 degrees in Forestport and 28 degrees in Cassville. High temperatures today will remain in the lower 30s for the Mohawk Valley. So Nala can still see her neighbor this afternoon. Today she is trying to cheer Willow up a little bit because Willow looks a little sad. She is just a few months old. It is her first upstate New York winter, so she's not really used to the cold yet. We will continue to see light snow showers for the rest of the day. So if you are commuting anywhere, maybe just a little bit slippery, especially this evening, but everything should be fine and the snow really shouldn't impact any travel. Here is our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Once again, light scattered snow showers will continue for today, and this is due to a small disturbance from this low pressure system just to the south of us. Light snow showers will continue today, and it will turn into lake effect for tomorrow. But overall, not much accumulation. This is our snowfall forecast starting today until noon tomorrow. That is this whole snowfall event. This whole forecast is just looking at a trace to 2 inches for most of us and 2 to 4 inches in the northwestern part of Oneida County and Madison County. Well, I should say the western part of Oneida County and Madison County. Could be seeing a little bit more there because that's where the lake effect snow band looks to concentrate on tomorrow. So for both today and tomorrow, very little accumulation. Maybe just need to brush out your car tonight if you are heading out anywhere, or tomorrow morning if you are heading out anywhere. And then dry weather comes in tomorrow later in the day for the rest of the week. So on our skycast, we see here just light snow showers continuing through the evening with on and off snow showers tonight. Lake effect snow picks up tomorrow, and that will stay south and west. So areas north and east could actually see some sunshine for the afternoon tomorrow. But all of us dry out tomorrow night. So for today, expect just some light snow to continue, a little bit of a breeze. It will remain pretty chilly, and tonight it will get chilly once again with lows in the teens and on and off light snow showers. That will turn into lake effect for tomorrow, and then we all dry out tomorrow night. Sunshine comes in for the rest of the week, but a cold front Thursday overnight brings snow, and that brings in Arctic air to the region. We have issued an alert day on Friday due to very, very cold weather and wind chill values all below zero. We're looking at up to 30 to 40 below zero wind chill values, Gary.
Hannah, thank you. The video of 5 Memphis in this half hour. Once again, here is meteorologist Hannah Evans.
We are tracking some light scattered snow showers here this afternoon, and that will continue into tomorrow. It is going to remain on the cooler side. Let's take a look now at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Light scattered snow showers continuing at this point, a little bit of a breeze as well, but this really isn't going to cause that much accumulation for both today and tomorrow. We're looking at 1 to 3 inches generally altogether. We're still on the cooler side, mostly in the 20s. We have 27 degrees in Whitesboro, 29 degrees in Little Falls, and 21 degrees in Inlet. So light snow showers will continue for today and tomorrow. After tomorrow, we will see some sunshine into the weekend, but it gets very cold. A cold front Thursday night brings in Arctic air for Friday and Saturday, with wind chill values all about 20 to 30 degrees below zero. So for today, expect light snow showers to continue, highs around freezing, and I will be talking a little bit more about that cold air coming up, Gary.
Hannah, thanks. We saw the banners along.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Hannah Evans.
Good afternoon, everybody. We are tracking scattered light snow showers for the rest of the day and even into tomorrow. Let's take a look now at our Cavie Tower camera. It is snowing a little bit up here on top of Smith Hill, as you can see. Cloudy skies. Little accumulation is expected for both today and tomorrow, and then we will dry out tomorrow night. It is still a little bit chilly here this afternoon, according to our sky watchers. A little bit warmer actually to the south, because we can see 36 degrees in Otsego and 34 degrees in Cooperstown. But then the rest of us in the 20s, 21 degrees in Old Forge and 29 degrees in Mohawk. At this point, we are just tracking a few light scattered snow showers on our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, and it will remain that way for the rest of the day, turning into lake effect for tomorrow. And this is all due to a weak disturbance caused by this low pressure system just to the south of us. Everything dries out tomorrow night. So for this forecast, I would say really not a lot. This is for noon today through noon tomorrow. Just a trace to 2 inches for most of us can be expected. A little bit more in the area where the lake effect snowband forms. At this point, looks to be in the western part of Oneida County, along with Madison County. You see a little bit extra, 2 to 4 inches is possible there for both today and tomorrow in terms of snowfall. And once again, everything dries out tomorrow night, with sunshine actually returning on Wednesday. So if you are heading out anywhere this afternoon or evening, probably just a brush off the car. Same thing goes for tomorrow morning, and dry weather comes in for the rest of the week and into the weekend. So on our Skycast, we can see here scattered light snow showers will continue. It may be a little bit slippery on the roads for the evening commute, so just be careful of that. And on and off showers continue overnight. Tomorrow, that lake effect band forms south and west for our viewing area. So areas north and east may actually see some sunshine for the day tomorrow, as we can see on our Skycast here. It is going to get very cold tomorrow night, with lows in the single digits into Wednesday, but we do dry out. So for today, expect light snow showers to continue. Highs just around freezing, with chilly weather tonight, lows in the teens, and on and off light snow showers. So for Wednesday, we will dry out to some sunshine. Highs are just going to be in the 20s. Sunshine remains on Thursday, but a cold front moves through Thursday overnight into Friday, bringing in Arctic air. It gets very cold on Friday with a dropping temperature all throughout the day. So that high temperature will actually happen in the morning, and overnight lows are all going to be below zero. Wind chill values up to 30 to 40 degrees below zero, so we did issue an alert day for that. It starts to warm up again on Sunday, Gary.
Put your jacket on now.
Yes, I know. I'm gonna bring my I'm gonna wear 2 jackets, and then my heat's going all the way up. I hate the cold.
I know you do. Hannah, thank you. Now to Virginia.
Yes, I'm Kristen Copeland.
I'm Jason Paulus. As we dealt with icy conditions and light snow today, the Storm Tracker 2 weather team is tracking lake effect to come.
Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis tells us where and what to expect. Good evening, Bill.
Yeah, roads are going to be slippery tonight in a few spots. You're going to want to take some precautions and give yourself a little bit of extra time, especially west of Utica. That's where the lake effect will be developing. A lot of us seeing widespread light snow this evening, and some of this is going to be freezing on untreated surfaces, so a few icy spots are expected too. The activity is widespread, but it's generally light, and again, most of the accumulation taking place tonight is expected to be west of Utica. We have winter weather advisories in effect for Oneida and Madison counties. Current temperature is 27 degrees. Our weather headlines, again, some icy spots tonight, colder tomorrow, and we've got an Arctic blast, a real serious cold stretch of weather here. By far the coldest weather we've seen so far this season. We're going to take a look at when that comes and how cold it gets coming up. Light snow this evening, temperatures in the upper 20s. Again, watch out for a few slippery spots. We are tracking snowfall accumulations tonight and how cold it gets later this week, and that's coming up. Kristen, back to you.
Firefighters from almost a dozen fire departments rushed to a house fire in Hart.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We are tracking widespread light snow as a cold front moves through this evening. A drop in temperature will be felt as we head into tomorrow. Let's take a live look outside tonight. A pretty scene, very light snow, fluffy snow falling from our CABV tower cam as we overlook the city of Utica behind those snow showers. Road conditions will be slippery from time to time. Just keep that in mind. With temperatures falling below freezing, any untreated surfaces could be a little slippery overnight. Something that we'll be dealing with here throughout tonight. And again, just some icy spots on areas like sidewalks, driveways, parking lots. Widespread light snow continues. This live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We look to the west. We can see there's more to come. This will be falling at a very light clip, but again, a few icy spots to be expected here over the next few hours. Just enough snow to make things slippery. Temperatures continue to fall. Whitesboro 26 degrees, Inlet 22, 19 in Big Moose, Dolgeville 27, Little Falls 28. Across Southern Valleys, Cooperstown 28, Skenevis 30, and Sherburne with 28. Again, some light snow if you're taking the dog out for a walk this evening. You do have daylight for about the next half hour. Temperatures will be in the 20s. Tonight's featured dog is Dozer from Forestport. If you want to be part of this, head to Facebook. Just search for Bill's Buddies. Radar and satellite image, again, a cold front moving through the region tonight. In the wake of this front, there will be some lake effect snow showers, primarily primarily west of Utica out towards Madison and western Oneida County. An inch or two of accumulation is possible. A general trace to an inch of snow will continue to accumulate tonight, again, as that cold front rolls through. By 7 p.m., most of the light snow is over. We'll be tracking some scattered lake effect snow showers overnight. It does get cold. Temperatures drop into the teens. Tomorrow, it looks like we'll see some breaks of sunshine, especially for those of you living from Utica and points north and east. To the south, some lake effect cloud cover, so we'll be on the fringe of this. Heading into tomorrow afternoon, breezy conditions that will be noticeably colder with temperatures in the 20s. Temperatures tomorrow night drop down into the teens, and then Wednesday, the weather looks relatively quiet. There will be a few light snow showers north of the Mohawk Valley, but most of us will be dodging that with temperatures climbing into the mid-20s. Light snow tonight, a couple of icy spots, a low of 18. Tomorrow, looking at some morning snow showers, especially south and west of Utica. Breezy and colder with a high of 23. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Well, you can see which day stands out here. Friday, it's an alert day. Temperatures will be in the single digits. We've got Arctic air that's going to plunge in, and we're talking about levels of cold that we haven't even come close to seeing yet so far this year. We have not been below zero. We could be 15 to 20 below zero Friday night. And that doesn't include the wind chill, which we'll be talking about here in the next half hour.
Delightful.
Inside day.
Yes, an
All
inside
right.
day, yeah.
Thanks, Bill. Well, the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis. Okay, so later in the week, it's going to be cold. We haven't seen this at all this winter.
Yeah, the coldest that we had was the stretch right around Christmas time. We got down to 4 degrees. We have not fallen below zero yet this month, this winter. Again, that 4 degrees occurred on December 23rd and the 24th. Friday night, we're calling for an overnight low of 15 below zero, and there's going to be wind with that too. So we've got some really serious cold that we just haven't dealt with so far. And in fact, we look back at January, we are on pace to crack the top 10 list of warmest Januaries on record. And that's impressive to do without hitting 50 degrees on any particular day. It was all about the overnight lows. We've had some very warm weather at night. We started the first week without falling below freezing for a whole week. And again, the month has been consistently warm throughout. Live look at the radar. We are tracking some light snow this evening, and it does get colder. Temperatures drop into the 20s. Watch out for a few icy spots. Some light snow accumulation is expected tonight and early tomorrow. We're taking a look at that and the cold weather to follow. And that's coming up. Jason, back to you.
Bill, thank you. Some children in need.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's Chief Meteorologist Bill Cardis.
Good evening. We're tracking widespread light snowfall that will continue as we head throughout the course of this evening. Let's take a live look outside. This is our Mountain Ice Oneonta Tower Cam. And you can see a few flurries and light snow falling. Watch out for a few slippery spots this evening on area roadways, driveways, sidewalks. Untreated surfaces could be slippery too. As we take a live look at the Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar, we're looking at widespread light snow. This is all being caused by a slow-moving cold front, and there's more to the west. And I think just about everybody picks up at least a coating to an inch of snow overnight. As the front rolls through, on the backside, we'll start to see a response from Lake Ontario, bringing some continued snow showers to areas south and west of Utica tonight and tomorrow. The winds will be picking up over the next couple of days. Breezy conditions tomorrow and Wednesday. It's going to make it feel colder. Thursday, winds become light. And then Friday, a significant cold outbreak is expected. And that's going to be accompanied by wind. And the combination of cold and wind is going to make it feel very, very cold Friday with air temperatures in the single digits and wind chill values that'll be about 10 to 20 below zero. So the next couple of days, it'll be cold. We'll be in the 20s for tomorrow and Wednesday. Thursday, we're up to freezing. One might even be above freezing. And then the polar plunge is expected Friday, as well as early Saturday, with temperatures dropping well below zero Friday night. Temperatures across the area this evening: Schuyler 25, Barneville 25 degrees, Yorkville 27, Micah, New Hartford with 27 degrees. Across Southern Valleys, Richfield 26, Cooperstown 28, 30 in Milford, and 31 degrees in Otsego. On the radar and satellite image, again, the widespread light snow comes from a cold front that continues to move through the area. Again, more light snow continues tonight. Most of us pick up about a trace to an inch of accumulation. 1 to 3 inches of snow is expected west of Utica, where some lake effects will be taking place late tonight as well as early tomorrow. Storm Tracker 2 Skycast tonight. Again, widespread snow moves out. Lake effect snow lingers. Temperatures start out tomorrow morning in the teens. We'll see some breaks of sunshine in areas from Utica to the north and east. South and west, this band of lake effect cloudiness will continue to bring cloud cover to Madison, Shenango, and Otsego counties. Tomorrow night, the weather looks pretty quiet. Winds turn into the west, so a few flurries taking place north of the Mohawk Valley on Wednesday. It's a generally dry and quiet afternoon with breezy conditions and temperatures in the 20s. Again, some light snow continues tonight. Watch out for a few icy spots, a low of 18. Tomorrow, a few snow showers in the morning, and then we'll see some breaks of sunshine in the afternoon. It will feel colder. It will be colder, too. High of 23 with breezy conditions. Storm Tracker 2 7-day forecast. Wednesday, Thursday, we're looking for some sunshine here. Partly sunny skies. Temperatures in the 20s on Wednesday. We're up to 36 on Groundhog Day. On Friday, we have this as a Storm Tracker 2 alert day for the cold. A high of only 6. During the day, temperatures will be struggling to be just above zero, and with the wind, it'll feel 10 to 20 below. Friday night, we drop between 10 to 20 below. The wind chill could be as cold as 25 to 30 below zero. So very cold weather. It doesn't last for very long. We're still cold Saturday. We're 8, but we start to warm up. Sunday, light snow 25. We're into the 30s as we look ahead to Monday. We'll be right back.